माझा स्क्रीन तुम्हाला दिसतोय बरोबर. So these are some figures for industrial installation. इथे तुम्ही बघू motors. What we have discussed. कोणाला तुम्ही जरा शक्यतो वेळेत जायला होत चला. Okay. So this is what you can see. Here you can see how congested it is. Okay. This is foundation. Different sizes of machine. I have told you. Different sizes of machines are provided. Okay. बरेच जण मला आता असं दे आर प्रोव्हाइडिंग मी डिस्टर्बन्स मध्ये कसे काय लेफ्ट होतात मला काय माहिती. सो डिफरंट साइज इलेक्ट्रिकली. सो यू आर हॅव्हिंग इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्रोल टू ईच मशीन बरोबर. यू हॅव मेटल कॉन्ड्युइट्स प्रोव्हाइडेड हियर. प्रत्येक एव्हरी मशीन इज हॅव्हिंग इट्स ओन इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्रोल. Okay. You may have many diagrams, you can see. Here also you are having different diagrams. Okay. So various pictures you can observe in industries. Especially the motor load is there. This is power circuit. This is what? Power circuit. So you have to next point, that is a sequence or prepare the estimation, material estimation and then costing also. So you must have idea some points that is to be considered while electrical estimation. So draw the floor plan as per the installation requirements. Draw single line diagram, schematic diagram from the floor plan. If possible, draw isometric view of proposed installation. Okay. If it is not given, त्यावेळेला बऱ्याच गोष्टी मी तुम्हाला सांगितलेल्या आहेत. नॉट गिवन. Assume height of horizontal run in case of surface conduit system. Calculate the size of wire, calculate the full load current of motor depending upon the rating and starting devices to be used. Calculate the maximum rating current from the data. Also obtain the size of wire, VIR wire or PVC wire that is to be used, or cable that is to be used for motor from standard tables of wires. These are all points. Step by step you have to go. So all this is a procedure. तुमचं थर्ड प्रॅक्टिकल इंडस्ट्रियल इन्स्टॉलेशन आहे. त्या प्रॅक्टिकलचं तुम्हाला पूर्ण करताना यू हॅव टू फॉलो दी स्टेप्स. ओके. किंवा एनी प्रॉब्लेम इफ यू वॉन्ट टू सॉल्व यू हॅव टू फॉलो दी स्टेप्स. कुठलाही प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला दिला असेल, टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लेम यू हॅव टू फॉलो दीज स्टेप्स. ओके. and decide length of conduits, which carry 6 wires, 3 wires, 2 wires, depending upon the number of wires and size of wire. You can see, or you can select the conduit length of conduit, size of conduit or suitable wiring. You may calculate the rating of main switch as we have discussed by considering the biggest size of machine electrically and static current of that machine plus rated current of all other machines. Then fuse rating, similarly we have to calculate. From the layout of the installation of different sizes of conductors, you can calculate. From the length of conduits, total length of wire or cable required, you can calculate. Length of earth wire and size of earth wire, you can determine from the length of conduit and size of wire. Other materials required for carrying out the installation work can be determined easily as per the need. Schedule of material required with their cost as per the present market rates can be prepared. This is very important. Many times we refer number of books. Books may have older versions, market rates are different, so don't go for that. Go directly to the website, go directly to the catalog of the components or devices, search out the latest prices, find out the total cost of the material required for the installation. The cost of some contingencies, that is means miscellaneous items, kirkod items, sudden expenditure may needed. समजा तुम्ही काहीतरी, if you are doing something, एखादा तुमचा item may get damaged, you may need to purchase new one. So this may be the contingency also. So like this, आकस्मिक आपण त्याला असं म्हणू शकतो. 10% cost you can add. You may have the particular work charges, that is labor charges, that is to be considered 2.5% of total cost. Sometimes labor charges are on the basis of actual labor requirement. They may be on daily wages also. They may be based on the actual labor required. So that these are all practical things that is to be considered. Whatever you have considered, you must mention it and do the costing accordingly, estimation and costing accordingly. Okay. You may have flat charges also. Flat charges, in that we can say particular installation, this work, the labor cost will be this. That is flat. Okay. So you may add this flat if you have. So like this, you have to follow all these particular certain steps while preparing the estimate of the industrial wiring. Okay. Any doubt?